Hey buddies, what's up? PC Mentor is here. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can record our computer or laptop screen using the VLC player. So everything I will be showing you in this video. Let's get started after this short intro. Open the VLC player and here we go. So in the drop down menu, click on the media, click on the open capture device. So once this window appears, click on the capture mode and select it desktop. In the desired frame rate, select whatever frame rate you want to select for the output file. So in this case I am going to select 60 and here select convert. So this is the profile, the format of the output file. So I am going to select MP4, this one, and in the browser you have to select the file location of the screen recording file. So name it. Once you have done these steps, click on the start. So now the screen recording is started. Everything showing on the screen, it will be recorded. Once the recording is completed, click on the stop button and here we go. This is the file, the recorded file of the screen. I'm going to open it and here we go. So now as you can see, the recorded screen is here. So in this way you can record the screen of your computer or laptop. So I hope this video helps you. Make sure like it, and still if you have any question regarding this video, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.